Hey Kingdom fam! Buckle up because today, we're dropping knowledge bombs that'll have you saying goodbye to your 9 to 5 and hello to a life of luxury, freedom, and serious cash flow. That's right, we're talking about cracking the code to making over $1,000 a day online, and it's all within your reach. Forget the endless commutes, the soul-crushing meetings, and the fluorescent-lit office purgatory. We're building empires, baby. NFT art and collectibles, $2,000 to $7,000 a day. What's the deal? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have taken the digital world by storm. Creating and selling unique digital art or collectibles can be incredibly profitable, especially if you tap into the right market. How to get started. Create or commission unique digital art or collectibles. Mint them as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Promote your NFTs through social media, online communities, and collaborations with influencers. Potential profit. With the right strategy, you can earn $2,000 to $7,000 per day, especially if your NFTs become highly sought after. The key is to build a strong brand and community around your work. AI-powered content creation services, $1,500 to $3,000 a day. What's the deal? With the rise of AI, businesses are scrambling to produce high-quality content at scale. You can capitalize on this by offering AI-powered content creation services. Whether it's writing, video creation, or even graphic design, AI tools can help you deliver top-notch content faster than ever. How to get started. Invest in AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for graphic design, or Synthesia for video content. Offer these services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or your own website. Potential profit. With the right clientele, you can generate $1,500 to $3,000 per day, especially as you scale up and take on larger projects or recurring clients. High-ticket drop servicing, $2,000 to $4,000 a day. What's the deal? Drop servicing is like drop shipping, but instead of physical products, you're selling services. The twist? You don't actually perform the service yourself, you outsource it to freelancers. This model allows you to focus on marketing and customer acquisition, while others handle the heavy lifting. How to get started. Identify high-demand services like video editing, SEO, or web design. Set up a sleek website offering these services at a premium price. Then, find skilled freelancers on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer to deliver the work. Potential profit. By charging premium rates, you can pocket $2,000 to $4,000 per day. The key is finding a reliable team of freelancers who can consistently deliver quality work. Subscription box service, niche-focused. $1,000 to $2,500 per day. What's the deal? Subscription box services have been around for a while, but the key to standing out in 2024 is to go niche. Think ultra-targeted audiences like eco-friendly pet products, gourmet coffee, or sustainable fashion. How to get started. Create a subscription box around a niche you're passionate about. Use platforms like Cratejoy to set up and market your subscription service. Focus on building a loyal customer base that values unique, curated products. Potential profit. With a growing subscriber base, you could be making $1,000 to $2,500 per day. The recurring revenue model makes this a sustainable and scalable business. Crypto staking and yield farming. $1,000 to $10,000 per day. What's the deal? As cryptocurrencies continue to evolve, staking and yield farming have emerged as lucrative opportunities. By locking up your crypto assets in a blockchain protocol, you can earn substantial rewards. How to get started? Choose a reliable platform like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken to stake your crypto assets. Alternatively, explore decentralized finance or DeFi platforms for yield farming opportunities, but be aware of the risks involved. Potential profit. Depending on the amount you stake and the platform's reward rates, you can potentially earn between $1,000 to $10,000 per day. The higher the risk, the higher the reward, so proceed with caution. Online course empire. $1,000 to $6,000 per day. What's the deal? If you're an expert in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a goldmine. The e-learning market is booming, and people are willing to pay top dollar to gain new skills and knowledge. How to get started. Identify a subject you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi to create and sell your courses. Focus on creating high-value content that solves real problems for your audience. Potential profit. Depending on the popularity of your courses and the size of your audience, you can earn between $1,000 to $6,000 per day. Once created, courses can become a source of passive income, especially if you market them effectively. Digital real estate flipping, $1,000 to $5,000 or more per day. So, what's the deal? Digital real estate flipping involves buying and selling domain names, websites, or social media accounts for a profit. This is like flipping houses, but in the digital world where the stakes can be just as high and the profits even higher. How to get started. Begin by researching trending niches and keywords to identify undervalued domain names or websites. You can use platforms like Flippa, Cedo, or Empire Flippers to find and flip properties. Potential profit. Depending on the value of the digital property, you could easily make between $1,000 to $5,000 per day, especially if you hit on a highly sought-after domain or a website with strong traffic potential. White labeling software as a service, or SaaS, can bring in between $1,500 to $5,000 per day. What's the deal? Well, white labeling involves taking an existing software solution, rebranding it, and selling it as your own. This model allows you to offer cutting-edge tech solutions without the hefty development costs. So, how do you get started? Partner with a SaaS provider that offers white labeling. Customize the software to fit your brand and market it to your target audience. You can offer a range of services from CRM software to email marketing platforms. Potential profit? By targeting businesses with specific needs, you can generate $1,500 to $5,000 per day, depending on your pricing strategy and customer base. Influencer marketing agency, $2,000 to $8,000 per day. What's the deal? Brands are increasingly relying on influencers to reach their target audiences. By starting an influencer marketing agency, you can connect brands with influencers and take a cut of the deals. How to get started? Build relationships with influencers across different niches. Offer your services to brands looking to run influencer campaigns. You'll manage everything from campaign strategy to execution, ensuring that both parties achieve their goals. Potential profit. Depending on the size of the campaigns and the influencers involved, you could be making $2,000 to $8,000 per day. And as your agency grows, so does your earning potential. Automated dropshipping, $1,000 to $3,500 per day. What's the deal? Dropshipping remains a popular online business model. But in 2024, the key to success is automation. By automating your dropshipping operations, you can scale your business without the usual headaches. How to get started? Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your online store. Integrate automation tools like Oberlo or AutoDS to manage your inventory, orders, and customer service. Focus on niche products that have a high profit margin. Potential profit. With a well-optimized store and automated processes, you can generate $1,000 to $3,500 per day. The beauty of automation is that it allows you to grow your business while minimizing manual effort. Hey, if you're loving these ideas, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. The kingdom awaits. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.